Hello everyone, today I'm with Philippe Roger. Hello Philippe.
Hello Julie.
Philippe is head of Orange Consulting and today we will talk about Industry 4.0. So Philippe, what is your vision of Industry 4.0 and how Orange can deliver and can bring value in industry sector?
To start with, IT systems already existed within manufacturing since decades. What I mean is that IT transactional systems, as well as real-time IT systems, which control the automated machines, this is what we call OT systems, already existed 40 years ago. What's new with Industry 4.0 is the introduction of IoT, Internet of Things, and smartphones within the shop floor. And by extracting data out of the automated machines through IoT, and by combining this data with the data of the IT systems, we can deliver the right information at the right time, at the right place, to operational people to increase the relevance of the decisions they make, and thus to increase their efficiency, their effectiveness within the shop floor. In fact, this materializes in smart forklift systems, in digital scheduling tools, in geolocalization systems, in maintenance tools, digital tools that considerably increases the efficiency of the operational people within the shop floor. To the contrary of the very top-down approaches that we used previously to design automated processes, here we have to use much more bottom-up approaches. And why? For a simple reason. The ideas that will enable to design the use cases come from the ground. The best people to invent these use cases are the people who will be using it, the direct and indirect workers that will be using these tools to be more effective in the way they cross the automated processes. My recommendation, if you want to be successful in such projects, is to use very experienced consultants. Why? For two main reasons. The first one is that to identify the use cases, you need to adapt the classical design thinking approaches to the environment of a shop floor and to the direct and indirect workers who will bring the inputs and co-construct these use cases with you. The second reason is that to deliver the use cases, the digital use cases, requires a very difficult orchestration of the large variety of digital expertise that are needed. It's expertise in communication, in security, in device, in real-time IT, in data, all that together. So if you want to deliver and to invent your use cases the right way, you have to orchestrate with the right methods a number of people from the field, digital experts, and the key success factor is to have very experienced consultants to do it. To conclude with, I would say IoT and smartphones enable to connect IT and OT together and to deliver all the additional value, the additional operational value that IT and OT couldn't deliver when they were working in a standalone mode.
Thank you Philippe for your inputs and see you next time for a new Tech Trends topic.
Orange Business.